In this video, I will show you how you can create employee. To create employee, you have to go here, human resource. Then you have to click here, employee. As you can see, we have four tabs here: active employee, inactive employee, and training document and employee group. So to create employee, I will click on this button, create employee. I will enter the employee details. So I want to tell you, if any field has this star, it means this field is required. If you leave this field empty, then you try to create employee, then it will show error. So we have to enter details in this star fields which are required. Okay, I will enter the details now. I will enter in SIN number. I will enter rate. Then I will enter email. I will select citizenship status. Uh, these two fields, home number and work number, are for the phone numbers. I will enter phone numbers here. I will select hiring date now. So last date, if you select last date, suppose I select 18, and then you come to this website after 18. I mean, if you come to website like on like 90 20 or after this date 18, then your employee will go to the inactive. If this date is not passed, suppose I select 18 and my current date is 16, then my employee will remain into the active employees list. So I'm just gonna leave it empty here. You can select permit expiry date if you want. I will select job role now. If you select this role, I will select purchase order and EWG. Then if I log in through mobile app, then I can see only these two modules. You can enter date of birth if you want. I will fill address. I will select province, then postal code. You can upload employee documents here. If you want to remove, then you just click here, remove attachments. It will clear your documents. If you want to add photo for employee, then you click here. And if you want to remove, then you just click on this remove button. I will create employee now. I will click on this save button. This pop-up will show. If you click on yes, then your employee will be created, and if you click on no, then this pop-up will close, and again you can change any details for this form and click on save and create your employee again. I will click on yes. As you can see, we have employee here. If you want to sort this data, then you can click on this column name. You can sort data by ascending or descending by column name. Similar way for the other columns also. Like this, you can see our data is being sorted. Similar way you can do this for any columns. So if you want to search any employee, then you have to type here. It will show all the matching records. I will clear this now. If you want to apply any filters, then you have to click here. We have two filters here, city and citizenship status. I will click on this city. I will select cities. Click on apply. If you want to add another filter, then you have to click on add more filter, and you can add filter for the citizenship status also. I will close this. Okay, so we have filtered for city wise. So we have this data for only those cities. Only those city data will show here. If you click on clear all, then your filters will be gone. You can see all data. If you want to export, then you have to click on this export CSV button. It will download all the employee data. If you want to download selected employee data, then you have to click on these check boxes. Then you click on export CSV button. It will download only selected data. If you want to edit, view or delete employee, you have to click on this here, and you can click on this edit button to edit the data. Here we have view side only. So you can only view data. You cannot edit here. So if you click on this clear device data, then your you will be logged out from the mobile app. Here I will edit this employee. I will change the rate. I will save this data. I will search employee, and again when I go to this employee, we have this rate here updated. If you want to delete this employee, you have to click on this delete button. If you click on yes, your employee will be deleted, or if you click on no, then this pop-up will close. I will click on yes. I will go to the inactive employee. The same thing as I told you before. You cannot create inactive employee. You can select the last date by going in this form, create employee form, and if you select the last date and that last date is passed, then your employee will show here. If you don't select the last date, then your employee will be in active employee list. Similar way, you can perform all the sorting, searching, filtering, delete, view, edit, all things you have done in active employee. You can do all those things in this inactive employee. So I guess I don't need to show you this again. You can do all those things here. I will go to the training document now. To create training document, you have to click on this button, create document. You have to type document name. You have to upload document here. Then you click on the save button. If you want to view or delete your training document, then you have to click on this arrow button. You can see your training document name here, and this document is attached. Okay. If I want to delete this, then I will click on this delete button. I will click on yes. So my training doc will be deleted. You can search by document name here. It will show all the matching records. As you can see, I have entered doc, so it will show results with the doc. You can export this data if you want. You have to click on this export CSV button. Now I will go to the employee group. To create employee group, you have to click on this employee group button. You have to enter group name. You can select supervisor here. Here you can see employee list. From this you can select supervisor and you can choose employees multiple like this, and you click on the save button. As you can see, we have new employee group here. If you want to add it, then you have to click on this button, and here first time you will see this view section only. If you want to edit, you have to click on this edit button. Here you can change name, your group selection, and click on the save button. As you can see, your data is updated. You can delete this if you want by clicking on this delete button. I will click on yes. My employee group is deleted. You can do sorting, searching, all the things which I have shown in the employee section. So I guess this thing is clear now. I will end it here.